Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to add other Gmail account in phone. Friends, due to various reasons, sometimes we need to use multiple email account on our mobile phone. So to add second email account, you need to open email app in your mobile phone. Now in your app, you need to press on profile icon. Here you will find the option to add other account. Now you simply need to select email service provider. In my case it's Gmail, so I will select Google. Now I need to verify by using pattern or scanning my finger. Now after verification I need to enter the email address. After entering the email address, you need to press on next. Now enter the password. Now after entering password, press on next. Now read the terms and conditions and press on I agree. Now friends, we have successfully added our second email account in our mobile app. From the profile icon, you can check all the email accounts added in your mobile app. So friends, like this you can very easily add multiple email accounts in your mobile phone. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.